BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 61 of season 3. Today's word is flawless. The meaning of flawless is without any defect or perfect. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word flawless. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Flawless is spelled as FLAWLESS. Dipa Karmakar, the female Indian gymnast, won the gold medal at the Gymnastics World Cup. She could achieve this because of her flawless, means perfect performance in the competition. Listen carefully how we can use the word flawless in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Nikita would become nervous while conducting science experiments in her school laboratory. Her science teacher noticed this and helped her. Nikita performed the experiment flawlessly in the next practical exam. Example number 2 of 8. The flawless century scored by Virat was appreciated by everyone. He did not give a single chance to the opposition bowlers to get him out. He remained not out on a score of 145 and won the match for India single-handedly. All the cricket lovers are going to love this example, isn't it? Example number 3 of 8. Madhav was always interested in music. He decided to participate in the competition for young musicians. The judges found his musical composition to be flawless and he won the first prize. Moving on to example number 4 of 8. We are aware of the hard-working courier boys running across the city to deliver documents and parcels. Well, each day, thousands of shipments are handled by the courier companies. To ensure maximum customer satisfaction, they must manage the deliveries flawlessly at all times. Do you speak like this sometimes? Maybe yes, because there are fillers in your English. To eliminate that, you need to practice thinking in English. Now you'll ask me how to do, and then I'll tell you to visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The chairman of the company was visiting the dealer showroom. Mr. Rana, the owner of the showroom, prepared a short speech to welcome the chairman. After his speech, the chairman congratulated Mr. Rana and complimented him on his flawless speech. Example number 6 of 8. India is a major exporter of jewelry. It specializes in exporting beautiful handmade jewelry. Each piece or ornament is tested and is expected to be flawless. Don't you agree? Example number 7 of 8. The bridge across the town river would reduce traffic congestion and increase the speed of travel. The local municipal corporation authorities planned the execution in detail and ensured flawless structure. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. Who doesn't love fast food? Do you know that some of the mega fast food companies have thousands of outlets across the world? They maintain high level of quality and customer experience everywhere. They are successful due to their flawless processes. Today we learnt the word flawless, which means without any defect or perfect. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with flawless and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 61 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.